Hey, is that wall moving?
Yes! Run!
There's nowhere to run!
But why are we panicking? We can't exactly...
I accept death.
What? Me? You do something!
Okay.
Bro, what?
Down! Someone help!
Up and over, Matt, I think. When it gets close enough, we might be able to do it quickly. Alright, get ready for it, get ready. Oh. Wait, what? What are we meant to do? There's like... Nah, okay, what, chat? I'm so confused. What are we meant to do?
What is that something I'm supposed to do?
Okay, it's asking me to clone, but...
Oh!
Wait, yeah, I got... Oh, God, I'm just a fucking idiot.
You know, it's always you.
I forgot it was a thing, bro.
I almost thought we wouldn't make it.
It's always you.
What do you
We
mean?
made it!
Ew.
So far.
There's little Rubens, there's little rats. Oh, Matt. Nice. You good, bro? You're right. Wait, what's even... Oh. We're going up. Oh. Oh.
We're going up, up, up.
And away. Come on, Matt.
What
Go,
a
bro.
magnificent place.
Oh,
I'm stuck waiting for you, bro.
With no real
I'll get there soon. I've got tiny wee legs.
The place is beautiful, but
You know how
doesn't
that
make
is.
any
Ah,
sense.
this is true, mate.
Why do you always have to make
Bro, this is
sense of
sick.
everything?
Well, someone has to. And I know it's not you.
Maybe you can't explain every little thing that happens in life.
Oh, I don't like that thought.
Right, the thought that is in this is actually insane. Oh, hello. Oh, we got more.
Oh,
We've got another one.
The other way, Cody. You're not doing it right.
Were you pulling, Matt? Were you really pulling, bro?
I was doing it the other way. Okay, I thought we were doing it the other way.
I'm glad my character was getting tilted at you for doing that.
Like I should knew instantly.
Bro, like this is like some
I don't like the look
Narnia
of that
stuff.
guy.
Like, what the hell?
He can't move.
Hey, King Paul, for sure.
Just for decoration.
Oh wait, I'm going after you.
Keeper.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going
You go
after
left.
you.
You go left.
Big
Okay.
sword.
Hey, look.
Nice.
Man's got a big key, bro.
Seems like
Oh,
you
what the
need some
fuck?
keys.
What do we do?
Has he got a dick? No.
Of course, that's the first thing that you look at. Oh, hello. I think we've got to do this. I think we've got to go up. Oh my god. Yeah, Matt, we...
Look, keys.
Wait, where are you?
Where are you?
I went up.
I went
Well,
up.
I'm on my way down. Hang on. Oh, I'm on the opposite side. That's why. Wait, do you want to come to me or should I come to you?
I don't know. What do I do?
Oh yeah, come up here then.
Right, okay.
I think we got, well, regardless, I think we got to do both anyway. So. Bosh. Mate, this is so sick. Oh, bro, look at that. Nice. Nice and relaxed part before the carnage starts, I think. Nice. I followed you like an absolute fucking idiot. Oh. Okay. Let it go, Matt. Wait. And then you gotta wind it, I think. Or at least I think you do.
Leave a clone. I shouldn't have to explain this to you at this point in the fucking game.
Yeah. I was just looking around just in case anything else is there, bro.
I hate you.
Yeah, Orlando likes that Tarmed. Come on now. Peeps to him. Mush.
Not there.
I don't think I... Ah! Nah, no, it is there because I can't get up.
No.
God's sake. We go again. Or do you reckon I have to jump up a bit?
No, just put it on the left side of it.
There you go. Well, I'm right in it, Orlando. Am I gonna die? Oh no, we're good. Nice. Yeah. I think you've got to go.
Jump to that.
What? And then, yeah, put one at the top. I think maybe. Or do you reckon I could make that?
No, put one there.
Oh shit! I didn't see the ledge behind this thing. Ah! Why did you do that?
I don't know.
Nah, I have to. I think I've got to jump over to the right again. Fucking hell. Ah, wait. What do you think? Do I have to go on this one, maybe? Ah, okay. I think you just let it go and I walk across it now. I think. Ah, okay. Oh, no, a bit fast, Matt. Okay.
I can see the keys.
Yeah, that's definitely the right thing. It was just a tiny bit quickly. You were a tiny bit too fast. Oh, I must have yeeted myself off. Mate, this is so sick. You sure, Orlando, mate? Alright, let's keep going. I like that. That was a nice little mini game. What did you just
Oh,
do?
for fuck! Oh.
Ah, you're back at the start.
How do I die every time?
I don't know, to be honest. Right, cam. I guess we just gotta do the other side, right? Oh, I see what we've done. We gotta bring that side back up again, because then this one's gonna turn it around for the key. Wait, what have you done? Oh. Oh. Okay, I only just realised what you'd done.
That's what I have done.
I was so confused. I was like, what the hell? Where the fuck do I go now? Oh, there's a little clickety clock. Can I reach on to that? Apparently not. Where's it? Oh, you fucking joking me. Sorry, go back up. I think it's the moving thing though. Why am I there? What are you doing? Right, I'm up. Is it this bit here that you need to move? I don't know if you can... Oh, let's go, man. What? When's it go? So I think I got to time the jump. Yeah, there we go. Okay. What we got over this? I assume I got a... Oh! No! Okay. Oh, slightly annoying. I gotta stand further at the top.
Fuck off, then you do it every time.
Yeah, if we mess it up, it's mud.
Oh,
Okay.
I don't want to do this.
Oh, dear. Okay. Tell me when you're gonna... Nice. Yeah.
I'm doing it now.
Okay, thanks, bro. Alright, this one. Let me get to the top. Now yeet me! Mama made it. There you go, my head. I can't do anymore. Oh my god. I'm gonna wait up here just in case on the off chance I need to... Wait, do I need to... I'm gonna put a clone thing here just in case. How do I get it?
Oh yeah, you need to be inside, yeah.
How the
So,
fuck do I get inside though?
yeah, you do that. Put your clone there.
Yeah.
But no, put your clone where in the middle.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, for
Yeah, I had to get rid of it. Bro, I had to get rid of it, bro. Stop stressing. Nice. You fucking dick.
it works.
Let's go. So Orlando's fruity, yeah. Chat. Tom, is that what we're finding out, bro? Okay. Yeah, but then I think we got to do this so it lines up properly, and then we got to pop the key down. Nice. Mulch. Yeah. We got to come back to this side and then just make sure the key fits. Nice. It's a bull.
There's some bullshit. Oh my god,
Oh.
okay, it's an actual bull.
Well, you're wearing red, so you're in the mud.
I didn't know it was red.
Oh, easy, bull, easy.
What the hell are we supposed to do?
Red, I'm more like orange.
Okay, so I'll get...
What
the hell?
May, maybe you can trick
Oh,
him with
okay,
the
okay.
ball. Oh, here he comes, May.
Ow. Hello, buddy. Come on, big boy.
That stone plate looks like it could hurt it. Oh,
Come on,
it's
then,
gonna
charge. Ow.
You're not supposed to stand there as well, that's the point of your clone.
Yeah, bro. Oh my god.
You're a fucking idiot.
Well, could you just not stand there and do nothing then?
I'm supposed to do this.
No. Hello, big boy.
Put your clone there.
I have. Ow.
Then stand away from it.
Bro, I need the fucking thing to move. There we go. Right. Can you
Get its attention.
Yeah, get it away from me.
No, it's to get. Oh, it's to get on you.
Yeah, because I need to... Oh, for fuck's sake. Fuck off, you stupid boy.
I'm playing with a fucking idiot.
Bro, you need to get it away from me so I've got enough time to get the so this thing comes up here.
I do that, you idiot.
What do you mean you do that?
I fucking bring it.
Oh, I fucking hate you. Oh my god. Okay, do it then.
Is
Right.
your clone on it?
Not... Why'd my clone be on that? I need to put the clone
Oh
away from
my
it.
god, if
My
you listen.
clone, yeah, my clone needs to be away, bro.
Not your clone needs to be on it. That's what the fucking attracts it, you idiot.
Well, you could have fucking said that.
It explained it to you in the fucking tutorial.
Alright, hang on, I'm coming.
Fucking 3 minutes of this.
Right, it's there, alright, go. Oh god, it's chasing me. Oh, fuck off, bull. Oh my god, bro, can this thing like piss off? Oh wait, I died, so it might not. So what you're trying to say is it's attracted to my fucking goat. Oh, fuck off, bull. Fuck off! I need to put my bloody clone down. So is that what you're trying to say, mate? That it goes after my clone, right? Which I don't think it does. I think I've got to put my clone away, so... Matt, can you talk, please?
Watch out, mate!
Okay. Wait, why is it not... Oh my god. Okay. I'm pretty sure that I've got... No, Matt, I've clocked it. So I've got to get on it, and then when it charges me, I've got to go away. Oh, for fuck. Are you taking the fucking piss?
I aimed that down the line.
Why is this thing so fucking clever, more to the point? Oh, wait, I didn't mean to do that shit. Okay, nah, no, I know. Okay, there we go, right, so I fucking was right, Matt!
We got him!
Oh, hey, Boo, who's the boss now, huh?
Oh!
Just a couple more hits, mate.
Right, go on, Matt. Ow. Oh, wait for it to stop fucking you. Go on, Matt. I can't see it. Nice. Oh, lovely.
Done it!
Looking really angry now.
Ah, come on. Okay. Go, Matt, go. Nice. Oh, God.
Finally! It's down!
You're okay, Matt?
That was a tough one.
Oh, I'm exhausted!
Yeah.
Do you not want
We
to...
better
Oh,
keep
fuck's
moving.
sake,
Come
man.
on.
Do you not want to get on, Matt, no? Bro, Matt is so stressed out right now.
Don't you realise I'm the one that's holding these things up?
Yeah, that's why I'm taking the piss. Okay. Hello? I'm very... Do I have to get through that gap, or am I meant to be up here? Could you let it come down a tiny bit, please? Oh. So I think I've got to press F somewhere. There you go, I got it. Right, hang on. Righty. Oh my god, that was close.
Who's that, Cody?
Hop on, buddy.
I've had enough. I'm logging off. I'm logging off.
Just wait until... Oh my god. Hey, yo, you just got yeeted.
Hard work.
This has been the most stressful fucking session we've ever done.
It's been all puzzles.
Bro, my brain can't hack this at 1 o'clock in the morning, bro. This has been painful. I feel as dumb as Ruben and Tarmed doing this, bro. Okay, well that one's... Why has this one got an issue then? Oh dear. Well, it'd mainly be Tarmed being a muppet, but... I have a feeling I shouldn't be here. Let me run back real quick. Am I missing something, or like...
You're supposed to get up by here, but...
I'm trying to think, like...
No, you're supposed to come over where I am, and I have to
I
get
get
you
you.
up there.
Right, hang on. Bloody hell, this is pain. This is requiring too much brain power.
Only because you keep forgetting you're a fucking clone.
Bro, well, why does that happen then? broken. Bro, relax. Man. Right, let me on first. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, go. Oh, for fuck. Man. This is the most painful thing I've ever fucking done in my life. Oh my god,
I'm gonna
Matt,
get
please.
it in a
Matt,
rhythm
please.
for you.
Oh. Faster, please. Yes, okay, stop. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you're still going. Ooh. Hi, Matt. Hop on, buddy. Does this mean that you can come up? Oh. I think you've got to go up there as well. Fuck's sake. Alright, I've got to stand on this so you can go up there, I think. Tell us what is up there, Matt. Is it special?
Just some porn down there, lad.
Oh.
Oh, you're supposed to...
Oh, no, I know I'm supposed to. Yeah, I need to come back with fucked it. I need to use my clone. Oh, I need you to stand on it, then I can clone, then I stand on it, and who am I playing with? I'm playing with Hefty, mate. This has been pain, chat. This requires far too much brain power. Ah! I almost died for you. Right, go. That's what. Well, we had the It Takes Two, and then now we're playing this one, mate. And then I think we'll play like other survival games or something, mate. We'll get there.
Go to the birthday cash.
I feel like, what the fuck is this?
Oh, I don't have a good feeling about this.
Me neither.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
I've only just realised what the problem is. Nah, let me jump on the. I'm the left side, so I'm the one with blue hair. Oh! Oh no, why is it going the other way? Ugh, I don't like it. Ah! Son of a bitch. Oh!
You're better, Cody.
Don't worry, Matt, I got you, bro.
You're doing really well. Keep this up.
Keep up! I'm like the pogo stick here.
Did you really just say you're like a pogo stick here?
Yeah. I should have said I'm like a tripod, though. Oh, fuck, man!
Not very hand-eye coordinated, man, are you?
I don't know what speed these things have got on it. Like, they keep changing.
Are you just running around?
We made it. We made it.
Of course you died at the end. Fuck's sake.
About time.
Okay.
I do have good timing.
You get it?
Right, here we go. Ah! No, no, please hit it. I feel like fucking Tarzan. Okay, good. Yeet. I like these picturesque bits. Oh! Made it somehow. Don't really
Oh,
know.
I'm back here?
The game's punishing you, mate. Nice. And then it'll swing you there, bro.
See, I didn't know that.
I got lucky, to be honest.
What are we even trying to do here, by the way?
I don't really know.
Oh yeah, we're trying to get pages with a book.
Oh, that's...
Whoa!
Hang on, why are we getting attacked? I thought they were our pals, bro.
Just want to get out of here.
It's too late for that.
Brilliant. Why has everything got to be evil? Why can't we just be pals, you know?
Because we're such fucking bastards.
Oh, my...
Oh, a slide.
What, is the bird helping us or what?
I can't tell.
Assuming I'm meant to...
Nice like the other ones.
It entered its nest. Keep your eyes on it.
Okay, what are we meant to do? I'm very confused, man. I ain't gonna lie.
That was close.
Okay.
I think we've just to survive.
Yeah, I think that's also the...
Oh my god.
I don't know, Lewis, to be fair.
Watch the game. We're running out of
Um,
real estate.
Oh, nice. At least there's a big black, like, circle. Ah! Ah! Oh!
Stop it.
Fucking hell! Oh. Oh. Kinky, Orlando. Yeah, come on, Cody. Save me, bro. Hey, yo, that's toxic, bro. That's toxic.
Okay. Okay. We made it.
Nice work, Cody.
Thanks.
Hey, well done, bro.
Oh, there they are.
Oh my god, it's not done. Probably Lewis. Ooh. The rest know what you did to that poor elephant. Bro, it wasn't even me, it was fucking Matt.
But you be we done this as a couple.
Nah, bro, this was all you, innit?
This was a couple's therapy.
Oh dear. Oh, hang on.
Look out.
Oh! Oh!
Look out.
Fucking hell. What? Jesus Christ. Ah! Fuck! Okay. So, yeah, I was gonna say, it's not exactly gonna be on the gold one, is it?
Gold?
Love is the truth, Orlando. Mate, this is
Oh
so
my
trippy.
fucking.
Oh my
it's
God,
like
okay,
Doctor
so-
Strange shit.
Strange.
Maybe this is our way out.
Ha! I like that. The play on what? Ah, ha, ha, that's a poll. Did you like what they did there?
What?
Maybe this is a way out.
I'm thinking.
Ah.
Ah, you like it?
Please.
Hey, yo. We're saying some sus stuff right now, bro. How long is this tunnel, bro? Oh. Wait, are we dead? Nah. Don't tell me we're doing that all again.
What happened? Did you do that, Cody?
No. No.
What the fuck? Huh?
Oh, I died. Oh, we need to destroy the clocks. Okay, yeah, right. We need to destroy the clocks then, Matt. Wait, I'm so...
Stuck in a loop. How do we make it stop?
Break
Wait.
all the clocks. That's our ticket out.
I'm so
kill one,
confused, bro.
please?
I'm trying, but... Okay. Ah, shit. Oh, how was that not? Ah! Okay, right, we're done, right?
What?
Oh my.
What the?
Look at your face. Bro, this is like cinematic. What the hell? Oh, okay.
Cody, are you okay? Are you doing this?
Yeah, well, I'm trying my best.
Okay, I'm
I
on.
don't know how long I can hold it for.
All right, I'll make my way.
Do I have to? Okay, I assume I've got to jump on that. Okay, I'm here. What's the next? Okay. Come on. Oh, no, come back. A little bit. Stop. Nice. Orlando, we know, bro. We just know now. Oh, wait, is that it there? That little bit? Wait. Oh, no. Oh, no, there we go.
Hurry, mate! This is getting tough.
You're
Wait.
doing great, Cody.
Where the fuck do I go, bro? Is it that there? Maybe? Ah! Ma! Nah, Ma! I wasn't expecting you to move.
I don't know what you're expecting me to do here.
I'm trying to figure out what piece is the one to go. But I think it's that one there, but
Yeah, get on that.
right, let me bring it a little bit further forward then, because I can't reach that yet. I think I got.
No, you can't reach that.
Okay. Where did? Is it this way then?
Keep looking around like every direction.
Because I can't. Yeah, there's nothing I can do there. I've got. Oh wait, whoa, hang on. Okay, I'm on something. Go. Ah, okay, we got it. Nice, we're not idiots. Oh, hang on, go back a bit. Nice. Cool. Ah, what the fuck? Oh my god, Jesus. Okay, I'm on. Oh. And I'm here. Okay. Whew.
Cody, come on!
Yeah, as if that's just easy for me to do from up here.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, it kind of is actually.
Oh! Uh-oh. Oh god, yeah, we got to go, bro. Nice, we've got an F thing. Mate, this is... Wait, how are you flying? Oh.
Me too! I've had enough of you, Club!
Yeah, let's do it, mate.
Oh, she's a lesbian now.
Okay. Oh. Oh god, that's the last thing we need after that.
Your relationship is now more in sync. Can you feel it? Huh? Tell me you feel it. Come on. Tell me you feel it, huh? Huh? Huh?
I feel stuck.
Hey, you gonna keep up your end of the bargain, Mr. Book of Truth? Uh-huh. Okay, okay. That's the way you want to go? Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. You like it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, let's do it.
I feel like that's how you and the book would talk if it was actually you, Matt.
We probably would be, yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh, yeah, we were inside the cuckoo clock the entire time.
Oh, mate, that whole thing has hurt my head.
Yeah,
That was a lot of brain power. Jesus Christ, at 1 AM.
Mum, it's working. Our cuckoo clock is working again.
Don't care, I fucking hate that stupid cuckoo clock now, bro.
Bastard.
I don't like it anymore.
I don't like you either, that's why I'm getting a divorce.
Oh.
This one
Parents aren't getting a divorce, they're getting it from
she
you.
likes it when things are on time.
Fucking needy bitch.
Oh.
Fucking who think you're going about your ponytail? You're who even wears dungarees anyway?
What? Oh, here we go. We're now in therapy.
Piece number 1. Numero uno. 3 pieces to go. Are you ready for piece number 2?
No.
Lesson number 2?
No.
Good. Ah, what else besides love makes couples stay together?
Mortgage.
Kids.
No. Attraction. Ta-da! It pulls people together.
We don't need attraction. We're getting divorced.
Aha! That's because you lost it. But don't worry. I'll help you find attraction again. Ding, ding, ding,
Oh my god, man, this book.
ding, ding,
What are you doing?
You don't like it?
No.
Okay, okay.
I'm beginning to actually quite like the book.
I don't. I hate the book. The
I'm
book's...
beginning to quite enjoy his accent.
Oh, here we go. And this is the next chapter. Why is he here again?
Woo! Attraction is like a magnet, but you need both poles. North, south, plus, minus. Cody, May. Yeah! This magnet will help you rediscover the attraction you once felt for each other. Yeah! One is plus, one is minus.
Some fucking forearm strength.
Literally. I kind of don't want to mess with this book anymore.
Yeah.
Not these magnets. Come on. Oh. Hey, bye. What the? Hey, where'd he go? What?
Hey. Why does this place look so familiar?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Snow globe.
Hey, you recognize that mountain?
Yes! This is where we had our first skiing trip together.
Yeah.
Hola, little one.
Oh my god, man.
Oh, no. We're stuck inside that snow globe we bought there.
Get to the top of the mountain to receive your next piece of the letter. Yeah, what if we freeze to death trying to get there? Use your magnet powers and the attraction will warm you up, baby. Uh-huh, yeah, you feel that?
No, bro, how do you like this book?
Kiss it. You like?
What is wrong
I
with
don't know, it's just the POV I'm getting right now. So